Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a custom domain to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Alright, so here as you can see, first thing that we're going to do is head over to our settings and there should have this option of domains if you look closely. So under apps and sales channel, head over to your domains and within this section you can connect your existing domain if you have that, or if you want to purchase a new domain that is going to be of course customized, then you can go for that as well. You simply need to search in here for the available domains and purchase them. That is how you can easily add a domain or specifically add a custom domain to Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.